I'm hijacking this intro to tell you guys thank you so much for getting the channel to 500 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Now let's go cop some bricks.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we are going to live cop the Supreme website for the Week 15 drop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yo.
Hey, that guy was super excited, and you know I am. First off, to all the subscribers out there, I want to say thank you guys so much for getting me to 500 subscribers.
I don't care.
Literally, that was the goal that I had the first time I uploaded a video a little bit over a year ago. Wanted to say, hey, let me see if I can get to 500 and see where we go from there. So,
Don't care.
thank you guys so much. This has been a ton of fun. Everybody out there has been amazing. I've hardly had any trolls at all.
Still don't care.
Not that I want you to start trolling me, but, you know, I kind of feel like I deserve a troll or two, don't you think?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Obviously, guys, I just want to thank you from that empty hole where a human's heart should be in my chest.
His small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
I'm having a ton of trouble getting the computer set up back at home. We're having a couple of issues, so I need to deal with that. I will catch you guys over at the computer.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we're at 11. I'm starting the task now. Going on my phone as well. I'm going to try to get some stuff on the phone if I can. Hopefully this stuff is going to work. I was super late to get in here. All my stuff is jacked, so hopefully we can catch some stuff. I'm refreshing on the phone. We are going for it. We're hitting some captcha delays, so I'm going to just go on the phone here. Try to get the bowling ball. Try to get the Hanes in my size. Alright, let's try it.
Oh, God!
Didn't get anything, so I'm going on the phone here. Payment not complete. Something sold out. Little did this peasant know, he actually did check out a cart. Something jacked up. It was my fault. I screwed everybody up. Oh, these are gone. Wow. Ooh, that was gone. Okay. Shit. That's no good. That's no good. Alright, well, top sweaters. We got one card already. I definitely want to try to get one of these jerseys. Just gonna get that and check it out and be good with it.
That's what Oscar said.
And there we go. Let's see what we can do. This is a really bad one. My whole house, the internet went down, the power went down, and my computer was not ready to go right away here, so I'm sure I fucked up a bunch of people. Not really sure what's going on here. Unable to process due to high traffic. It's probably because of where I'm at. I'll just check it out on my phone then. Just want this hockey jersey and then I'm good, probably. Alright, well, yeah, I fucked some stuff up here. I did get one cart. Yeah, this was a really bad live cop. I'm gonna apologize. I apologize to Lewis here. This is my fault. We got some power problems at the house and didn't get anybody back in the house until about 5 minutes until. Definitely gonna shout out Lady Fauntleroy. She had some plans that she definitely changed to try to go and help me get the computer set up. We did cop a couple of things. I'm gonna keep trying to get in here and fool around, but yeah, I messed up on the hockey jersey. I definitely had a chance to get that. Yeah, the blue one's gone. Still a good jersey. That blue one is nice though. It was my bad. I could have went after it. That was the second thing everybody went after. And then I knocked the microphone out, so the sound was gone. The only thing that happened after I disconnected the microphone from the computer was that I did manage to cop a blue hockey jersey in a size large. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I can't wait to see that sucker in hand and show it off to you guys as well. First off, I want to apologize to Lewis. I think I jacked you up pretty good with that whole power situation. And most definitely, I want to thank the most beautiful lady in the entire world, the love of my life, the Lady Fauntleroy, for changing some plans and rushing back to turn her husband's computer on so he could buy a bowling ball. And just for the Lady Fauntleroy, I'd love for you guys to leave a comment down below how I could be a better spouse. Oh, I know you can't get enough of my nonsense. It's like a roller coaster ride every single day.
He's clueless.
Don't call me shoeless.
You're shoeless. All right, guys, and obviously we did hit the 500 subscriber mark. I will be doing the 500 subscriber giveaway, which is a $200 Hype Beast mystery box. Obviously, it's mostly Supreme stuff. I'll get home on Sunday, so I'll try to get the giveaway video out ASAP, first thing next week. Definitely pay attention to it. Turn on your notifications. And if you're not subscribed yet and you want a chance at this $200 mystery box, then you should subscribe right now.
Okay.
Alright guys, I hope you were able to grab everything that you wanted today from Supreme or wherever else you were trying to buy things from. And have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next video.